Mr. Leo English, Easy A1 Conversation. Welcome to Mr. Leo English, Lesson 1, Talking about your daily routine in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Mr. Leo English. I'm Ben.
Hi, everyone. I'm Anna. I'm very happy to see you all again today. We help you speak English step by step.
Easy English.
Real life. Before we start, let's ask you something.
Yes, a simple question.
What time do you wake up every day?
I wake up at 7 a.m. Now let's talk about daily routines.
Let's start with the morning. I'll go first. In the morning, I wake up at 6 a.m.
6 a.m. That's early.
Yes, I like the morning. What about you, Ben? What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m. I'm not a morning person.
That's okay.
What do you do after you wake up?
First, I wake up. Slowly, I open my eyes. It is morning. I look at the clock. I stretch my arms. I stretch my back. Then I go to the bathroom. What about you?
I sit up slowly. I stretch and relax. I go to the bathroom first.
Do you brush your teeth right away?
Yes, I brush my teeth and wash my face. And you?
I wash my face. The water is cold. The water wakes me up more. I like this feeling. After that, I brush my teeth. I do it slowly. Left side, right side, up, down. Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I do. Every morning.
How long do you take?
About 10 minutes. Not long. After taking a shower, I feel very comfortable and relaxed. I love this feeling. What about you?
About 20 minutes. I enjoy singing while I take a bath. The warm water makes me feel comfortable. After my bath, I feel very relaxed and full of energy.
Do you use your phone in the morning?
Yes, a little. What about you, Ben?
Yes, I check my phone too.
What do you check?
I check the time, messages, and the weather.
I checked my plan and the tasks I needed to do. Do you feel busy in the morning?
Sometimes, but I try to stay calm. How about you?
There are many things that make me tired and stressed.
What time do you have breakfast?
At 7 a.m. And you?
I have breakfast at 7:30.
What do you eat?
Bread. Sometimes eggs. What about you?
I have bread and egg.
What do you drink?
I drink milk. Do you eat alone?
Yes, I eat alone. Do you?
No, I eat with my family. What do you do after breakfast, Ben?
I prepare for work. I pack my bag. I check my keys and my phone.
You check your phone again?
Yes, always. What about you?
I check the bag, keys, and wallet. What time do you leave home?
At 8 a.m. And you?
At 7:30 a.m.
How do you go to work?
By bus. What about you?
By bus too.
What do you do on the bus?
I listen to music. Sometimes I read. And you?
I just listen and relax.
What time do you start work?
At 8 a.m. How about you?
8:30 a.m.
Are you busy at work?
Yes, I'm very busy in the mornings. We usually have meetings, then we take care of clients. Are you?
I've been busy all day. There's so much work, it's making me tired.
What do you do at work?
I work on my computer. I write emails. I talk to coworkers. What about you?
I usually make plans, then meet with colleagues. I handle customer service every day.
Do you like your job?
It's okay. Not perfect, but fine. How about you?
I feel tired and want to relax. What time do you have lunch?
At 12 p.m. And you?
At 11:30 a.m.
What do you eat for lunch?
Rice, vegetables, chicken, or fish. You?
The same.
Do you use your phone at lunch?
Yes, I watch short videos. Do you?
I didn't use my phone. I closed my eyes and slept for about 20 minutes. How do you feel in the afternoon?
I feel comfortable because I can sleep. What about you?
I feel a little tired.
What do you do when you feel tired? I drink water, sometimes coffee.
I drink tea because it makes me feel alert. Tea keeps me clear-headed. It's good for my health.
What time do you finish work?
At 5 p.m. And you?
At 5:30 p.m.
What do you do in the evening, Ben?
I go home. I change my clothes. I relax. What about you?
I go to the supermarket to buy food. Then I'll go home to cook. I enjoy cooking every day.
What time do you eat dinner?
At 7 p.m. In the evenings, I usually have a simple meal of soup or bread or sausage.
I prefer ordering fast food. I like hamburgers and I have more time when I don't have to cook.
What do you do at night?
I watch TV. Sometimes I listen to music. And you?
I read a book sometimes.
What time do you go to bed?
At 10:30 p.m. My job made me very tired, so I slept well when I got home. What about you?
At 10 p.m. I slept well after not thinking about my daily work. Practice.
Now, let's practice together. Please listen and speak after me, talking about my daily routine. In the morning, I wake up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I have breakfast. I go to work.
Now you try. Pause the video. Answer this question. What time do you wake up every day? Say, I wake up at a.m.
I wake up at 6 a.m. In the afternoon, I work. I feel a little tired. I drink water or tea. I have lunch.
Your turn again. Pause and say, what do you do in the afternoon? I work in the afternoon. I feel a little tired. I drink water or tea.
In the evening, I go home. I have dinner. I relax. I watch TV or read a book. At night, I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Now speak about yourself. Use simple sentences. Speak slowly. It's okay to make mistakes. Great job. You are learning English step by step. That's how you improve your speaking. Now, write a comment below. What time do you wake up every day? What do you do in the morning? Write just 1 or 2 simple sentences. I will read your comments. If you like this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to Mr. Leo English. We'd love to know. English is easy. One day at a time. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.